I remember a few of the Diwalis, we had no money to buy crackers and burst. All me and my siblings could do was just look at the sky and smile. I used to be among the top 3 students in the entire school, but there were times where me and my siblings could not afford to pay the fees for a few months. And the management decided to embarrass us in the assembly. That really disappointed me, I lost faith in the education system after that. I always have a thing for e-commerce. Even when I was in school, I used to love doing online shopping. I used to game the system. I used to find workarounds, get parcels at my home almost every day, and all for free. During my second year of the college, I came up with this idea of starting up a Ecommerce business, and I decided to drop out and focus completely on it. I onboarded 3 other co-founders who were my college mates only. The business was doing well, and the other 3 co-founders also decided to drop out of the college and focus completely on the business along with me. But very soon a horrible realization happened. We realized that the unit economics of the business will not work even at a scale, and we decided to shut it down. I was really devastated when I had to shut down the first startup. My co-founders moved out. I was all alone, no backups, no plans. It was a horrible situation. Failure was hard to accept, but I realized the first thing that I had to do was to accept the fact that I failed and work towards getting over it. I then started consulting for a startup. They liked my work. They offered me a full-time position as a VP. I joined them as the youngest and highest paid VP. But something wasn't right. I was getting into my comfort zone that I never liked. I realized that the hunger inside me was still there. I wanted to start up again. I decided to start Marmeto. The entire goal was to solve real-world tech problems. Business was challenging. We were trying to do too many things. I realized that there is something which needs to be corrected. Then I stumbled upon Shopify. I met the Shopify partner manager. He showed us the opportunities that we could leverage to scale up the business, and there was no looking back from there. We saw that we could help Shopify to build India-specific solutions which can help them build a better ecosystem for their Indian merchants. Soon we became one of the trusted partners. As we build more and more solutions, our business also started to grow. Today, Marmeto has grown from a team of 3 to 60 plus, with offices across 3 locations and doing an annual turnover of close to $1 million. I'm 23 years old. My journey has just begun. I have a lot to achieve and a long way to go.